Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, it's been an interesting, fun day. The 6000 A and B unit arrived, and the A unit someone had butchered with adding 2 steel weights drilled through the shell. So I have transferred the motor into the B unit, which gives me a switcher with front and rear couplers. Went through my parts. I found the original washer that went between the shell and the motor, and a word of caution: working on tin litho. The stuff is sharp. Anyway, I've installed a headlight, so this 6000 is up and running as a switcher. As you see, so it was definitely worth the $10. Now that's 50% power about. So plenty of power in this little switcher, no doubt. Pulling 10 Lionel, 8 Lionel cars. As you see, that's running just absolutely splendidly forward and reverse. And of course, it has a front coupler, so you can actually run it as a switcher. So let's turn this around, put it back on the rail. This is a transition car I made. All right, let's see how it goes. As you see, so tell me, was that worth $10 and an hour of my time? It runs nice, it looks almost new, it's completely custom. It is a 6000 switcher with front and rear coupler. Hard to beat that for $10. So I'm happy with it. Plus I had the fun of actually converting the dummy unit into a powered locomotive. So it runs nice, it looks nice, it was dirt cheap, plus I had the fun of doing all this. Now as far as the other shell, I will probably swap over the trucks and maybe assemble it as a dummy, although it only has a rear coupler. Not sure what I'm going to do with it. It was in really decent shape until they butchered it by drilling holes in it. And there's absolutely no way to cover that at all. He drilled directly through the Southern Pacific logo. So there's no way to fix it. No practical way, anyway. So not sure what I'm going to do with it, but the parts went into the B unit and have converted it into a powered switcher with front and rear truck. Runs forward and reverse. It's in really decent shape, as you see. It's completely custom, and it was $10. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.